Hey, it's Ed here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for SP500 with Elliott Wave Theory. Before getting into the analysis itself, I wanted to let you know that I have a Patreon where you can find Elliott Wave Basics course, access to weekly live streams and more. Thank you for your support. Let's get into the analysis next. Starting here on 30-minute time frame, looking at the scenarios again from the highs here of 4,170 or $80 basically. That was again basically the midpoint of December, and since then the idea has been that we had a five-way structure coming down, either ending in here or in here. If the structure ended here, we would have a very weird looking structure where again we had taken out the lows already, so that allows us only to have some kind of expanded structure. And now that we have already taken out these highs as well with these price action from the 6th, we can't have this as a wave A of anything unless we have it like that complete. Not the best look either. At the moment, I feel like this is my favorite count on this, where we have again five ways ending at these lows. Again, that would explain this one. However, again, I need to be mentioning this again that we don't have divergence here, which is again the factor that makes this less likely. But still, I favor this at the moment best. The overall idea was that we had a three-way structure here into W, three ways into X, and now we'd be looking for wave Y. It is already really extended. We are almost at the 1.618 extension of this wave W pivoted from the wave X here. It is possible that wave B was in here, and now C would be, wave C would be somewhere around in here. The other scenario that I currently am thinking, let's actually take a look at the extension targets here first. Where's the 1-to-1? 1-to-1 is already all the way up in here, 4,044, which is quite far away still, 1.2%. But again, today is going to be the CPI data, which is probably going to be rocking the markets again. Bitcoin actually had a very weird looking structures overnight, but we'll talk about that during the live stream. But yeah, this is definitely a possibility where wave B pivoted here, and now we'd be looking for a partner leg basically for this one to create that C leg here. The other scenario is that as we have not taken out the 1.618 retracement of this move here, we could be doing some kind of expanded or running flat situation here. This again felt like five waves coming down. I think it was same on Bitcoin as well. But again, we took out the highs here, so that is no longer the case. We have to be accepting that this is some kind of three-way structure somehow. I don't know how I'm going to be labeling it. Probably I'm not going to be labeling it at all. I'm just saying that, okay, this is a structure that is a three-way structure on its own. Then again, very similar to this previous price action here. Let's go to 15-minute to see it. We had from the lows, we had a very spiky move up, spiky move down, and spiky move up. A very similar structure we had here from the start of these lows. And again, we had this weird curve, which we had here as well. So there are a lot of similarities with these two very sideways structures overall. So that again has the potential of thinking that this could be a three-way structure overall, having this done. But until we go beyond the 1.618, around the $4,023 area, I'm still looking into this as a possibility. At the moment, we are right at the 1.236, which is again the main target for an expanded flat for a B wave. So this would be an A wave, B wave, and C wave. We'd be looking for a five-way structure here for that wave C. If we take out these lows, then we would be looking at a expanded structure here, and then again we would be looking for not to take out these lows in RSI, because again this would be the start of the structure here. Then we would be creating that correction and then another move upwards. This is pretty much going to be most likely a very violent move, and that would fit the idea of a C wave here for that B wave better, in my opinion, than a move up. If we, however, again break these highs on RSI, then we can be expecting some kind of move up. There is definitely a possibility where this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and as the third wave here does not extend, we could be seeing an extension on 5th. Let's actually make sure that that is the, yeah, it's barely larger. So if we have this as a 1, 2, 3, the fifth has no minimum or maximum limit for it to be, because again, third is not smallest here. So those are the options that I'm currently looking at. Looking to short this now into the lows. Again, tight stop loss here beyond the 1.618 is my plan for today. If we go against that, then that's fine. That is just, again, one trade lost. But yeah, that is going to do it for this video again on S&P 500. If you made it this far, again, I would appreciate the likes. Link to my pre-Discord server in the description below. And for now, I thank you for watching and hope to see you on the next video. Bye bye.